Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to unfriend all Facebook friends in one click on mobile. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and make sure that your Facebook app needs to be make sure that it's updated to make sure that your Facebook is updated to the latest version. So you must have heard of third-party apps or Google extensions that allows you to delete Facebook friends in one click. Let me tell you, or let me break it down to you. It all fake, right? It's all fake. So basically, using these third-party apps mainly means that you need to enter your Facebook information, which can be compromised because they might take or steal your information of your personal Facebook account. So I don't recommend that you actually use or get into the third party apps because they are not safe and your information will be compromised, or and you will not get back, you'll never recover your account later if your account was hacked, god forbid. So in order to actually unfriend all Facebook friends in one click, click right here, the friends on your Facebook basically, and then you're gonna see the friends. Click on your friends at the top right here to filter the search. Basically click the three dots next to their name and just click unfriend them, and basically one by one you're gonna unfriend those people on Facebook and confirm that you don't want to be friends with those people. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.